How do you turn a dirty iron-coated gold rock like you see just here and transform it into a beautiful gold nugget at home? Stay tuned to find out. G'day gold prospectors, in this video we are cleaning gold, showing you how to make your finds shine. Whether it's ironstone, clay or quartz that's clinging to your gold nugget, I've got a few tried and tested methods that will work for you, and it will bring out the colour in your gold nugget and will help preserve the integrity of the gold. Let's get into the video. First, we keep it simple. If your nugget needs a slight clean, grab some warm soapy water and a soft toothbrush. Swirl your nugget around, give it a scrub over a gold pan to ensure you catch any gold that may dislodge during the cleaning. And here's a tip that I recommend. I like to add a drop of dishwashing detergent to my nugget jar while I'm out detecting. Some dishwashing detergent and some water. By the time I get home, the nuggets have already had a nice little soak and they're ready for a quick brush. Now, if you're dealing with stubborn ironstone, crusted clay or quartz, soapy water probably will not cut it. There are stronger methods that require acid treatments, but remember, using acid comes with some serious safety precautions. Working with acids can be hazardous. Always wear protective gear, gloves, goggles and a mask, and use these substances in a well ventilated area. Ensure the container that the acid is stored in has a lid and that the acid is left in a safe place that cannot be reached by children or knocked over by a pet. So let's talk about cleaning nuggets with ironstone or clay. For this, hydrochloric concentrated acid does a fantastic job. Hydrochloric acid or pool acid is available at most hardware stores, including Bunnings here in Australia. You may have to ask for it, but most stores do carry it. I usually find it in a cage in the timber section of Bunnings. You simply soak your nugget in a plastic container with the lid on. The clay and the sand will fizz and break down quickly, and the ironstone dissolves over a day or two. Put enough acid into the container to cover the nugget. After the soak, you'll have a much cleaner nugget. Remove it from the acid after a day or two and scrub it with that toothbrush under some running water. If the ironstone persists, place it back in some fresh acid and continue the process until it's clean. But a fair warning, hydrochloric acid can leave your nugget with a frosty look. So if you're aiming for that bright, shiny finish, you might need something a little stronger. That's where Albrite comes in. Albrite is a car cleaning product that contains a small amount of hydrochloric acid, which is strong enough to dissolve quartz and other stubborn coatings over time. And Albrite is available from most auto dealers. But be extremely cautious with Albrite. Even though it's not as concentrated as pure hydrochloric acid, it can cause serious burns. Always wear gloves and your safety glasses. I use Albrite undiluted, soaking my nuggets in a plastic container, once again with the lid. Don't use glass, as hydrochloric acid can etch and dissolve the glass. For light cleaning, leave the nuggets in Albrite for a day or two. For quartz encrusted pieces, a month might be needed. Albrite will weaken the quartz, making it very brittle and easier to scrub off. Now, I have heard other prospectors say it's essential to neutralize any remaining acid by using baking soda solution, but I have never done this and I have never had a reaction. You may want to investigate a little bit further. So there you have it, sparkling clean gold nuggets, ready to display or to sell. If you have other favourite methods for cleaning your gold, share them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and please do hit the bell for more gold prospecting tips.